Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to quickly just show you and explain to you what CFDs are on deriv.com. And so I just want to uh, give an explanation of how it works. And so if we go to the website, and I'll leave the link in the description below, basically there's always this question about what are CFDs. And so I'm quickly going to just explain what CFDs are. All right, and CFD trading. So if we just quickly go to my presentation, so what are CFDs and how to trade them on Deriv? Right, so CFDs stand for contracts for difference in a special kind of trading where people can pretend to buy or sell things like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and synthetic indices without owning them. It's like a make-believe game where you share in the value changes of these assets, and traders do this to try and make extra money by guessing whether the prices of these assets will go up or down. So you basically don't need to um, own the things. All right. So this is an example of what CFDs are. So number one, for stock CFDs, that would represent shares of various companies such as Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. You can buy or sell these stocks without actually owning shares in these companies and make profits when the market goes your way. The same goes for CFDs that are indexed, and we are talking about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the FTSE, and the DAX 30 as well. And also the same applies to for synthetic indices that you find on Deriv, like Crash 500, Boom 1000, Crash 1000, Boom 500, and other synthetic indices that you find there on. Currency CFDs are based on currency pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar, allowing traders to speculate on exchange rate fluctuations. And you also get commodity CFDs, and these track the prices of commodities like gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and agricultural products such as wheat and corn and so forth and so on. So you also get cryptocurrency CFDs that represent the popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Solana, and many others you will find on Deriv. So these are examples that illustrate the wide range of CFDs available on Deriv, providing traders with opportunities to participate in various financial markets. So as you can see, you can find many things to trade, and you're not only limited to financial CFDs that are the foreign exchange currencies, but you can trade as many instruments and assets you can trade. So let's go back to the website itself, and obviously also explains what CFDs are and their contracts of difference, and basically how you trade them. You trade them with margin. Um, like I said before, you don't need to own the stock, the Apple stock or the Google stock. You don't need to physically buy it. You are basically the broker is making a platform for you to be able to own, and as the price is going up or down in real time, depending on how you have set your position, you make money off that. So basically, this is how it works. And there's also a margin calculator right here, and it helps you to find out how much margin you need to have in your account to be able to hold a position over a long period of time. And all the explanations are here. Okay, so trading CFDs increases both potential profit and loss. So when you trade CFDs on margin, you increase your market exposure. That's amplifying both your potential profit and potential loss. So many people make so much money out of trading CFDs because of the leverage. Uh, which which maximizes your profits if your position, if the market goes in your position, but also your losses are as well increased your if your position is against the market. But you can absolutely learn how to do market analysis and learn about market structure and price action and all the strategies that you need by following my channel. And some of the strategies are in the channel. If you just subscribe, you can find some videos there already. And I'll also be uploading more videos to teach you other strategies as well to be able to take advantage of this great trading opportunity. I especially love trading CFDs because they are recession proof. No matter what happens in the global financial arena, trading helps to still make money. And you can be in either way, either direction of the market, whether the stocks are crashing, you can still short and make money. Whether the markets are going up, you can still make money. And so that's why I'm saying trading is recession proof, and it will really help you to make money and then obviously build your wealth for the future and over a period of time. All right, so that's it for this video. Any questions, just please contact me on number below in the description. And also, if you want to sign up, um, there's a link below in the description. Sign up with my link, and after you sign up and I see that you signed up with my link, I'll be able to also give you more videos in person to show you strategies and how you can go about starting your trading journey. All right, thank you very much and see you next time.